In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for meetings and video conference calls. By the end, you'll know how to start a quick video meeting right from Teams, check your setup, and bring others into the call with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the Meet page on Microsoft Teams. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. If you're asked to sign in, use your usual Microsoft account and, when prompted, allow the site to use your microphone and camera. Granting those permissions up front helps avoid that awkward scramble right before a call starts. Once Teams loads, look to the left side of the screen for the chat option. This is your hub for one-on-one and group conversations, and it's also a convenient place to start an instant video meeting. If you don't see the full list of icons, widen the window or click the menu to reveal the sidebar. Click a chat to open your conversations. You'll see recent chats in the middle and details on the right. If you already have a chat open with the person or group you plan to meet with, you're in great shape. If not, simply select an existing chat so that your call targets the right people. At the top of the chat window, click the video camera icon. This button launches the call setup. Teams will show you a pre-join screen where you can double-check your camera and microphone. This is a great moment to choose the correct speaker, mic, and camera from the device settings, toggle your video on or off, and pick a background effect if you'd like a bit of privacy. If your audio sounds off, switch to a different microphone or enable noise suppression to reduce background sounds. When you're ready, click Start Meeting. You'll join the call instantly. From here, you can invite others by selecting the option to add participants or by copying the meeting link and sharing it through chat or email. During the meeting, use the controls along the toolbar to mute and unmute, turn your camera on or off, share your screen for presentations, open the chat to drop links or notes, and view participants to manage who's in the call. If someone can't hear you, quickly revisit device settings to confirm the right microphone is selected. And if your connection is unstable, turning off your camera can improve audio quality. That's it. You've learned how to start a meeting from the chat area, preview your setup, and begin your video call. Practice these steps a couple of times, and they'll feel second nature. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next Teams meeting.